What we have today is a Casablanca Utopian. It is one of their outdoor fans from the late 90s into the 2000s. And in fact, I think it actually lasted into the Hunter Blanca era around 2014 or so. So, this one is dated 2000, I believe. Maybe 2001. This fan is one of the early direct drive Casablancas, or in other words, spinner motor Casablancas. It does not use a K55 or any kind of stack motor. This is a spinner. So, probably wondering, how does that hold up to a stack motor? One thing worth noting here is that the blade pitch is 16 degrees. A bit steep for a Casablanca. This is a 50-inch span. They were also available with short blades were also available for it, making it a 40-inch span. So now we're going to see how this spinner Casablanca actually performs. Now, like any other Casablanca, it starts low, medium, high. Unfortunately, the motor has a little bit of a cyclic buzz to it, which basically means that the motor has to be opened up and reset, because something is slightly out of flux. The motor has a wee bit of rust on it, slight little specks of surface rust, because this fan was likely either used in a kitchen or bathroom, not in a kitchen, either used in a bathroom or on a porch. It has a low speed similar to stack Casablancas. Now let's go to medium. Start removing quite a bit of air, and wobbles almost non-existent, which is the way it should be. So now I'll go to high. It flies, as I would expect. .16-degree blade pitch, it's probably doing about at least 200 RPM on high. Maybe 210. This just goes to show that early spinner Casablancas are just as powerful as a stack Casablanca, K55 or XLP. They are no slouch. Now, because this is an outdoor fan, it has a reverse pull chain, which makes things all that much more convenient. Now, You'd think that reverse pole chains would be a common thing on all fans in the US. But apparently not. Only on outdoor fans for whatever silly reason. In the 80s and 90s, reverse pole chains were a huge thing in Canada. Everything had them. Maybe it was part of their electrical code. I don't know. But every fan had a reverse pole chain if it was going to Canada. Now it's starting to go away, meaning every new fan in Canada for the most part has a simple reverse switch like anything else, but now we're gonna let it toast. Stupid furnace is stupid. And there you have it. A Casablanca Utopian.